Welcome to our channel, where we'll show you the easiest way to check Georgia Lottery Live results today without any confusion or delays. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward and professional guide on how to check Georgia Lottery Live results today step by step. If you want to know your lottery outcome quickly and efficiently, you're in the right place. First, the easiest way is to visit the official Georgia Lottery website. It's reliable, fast, and updated in real time once the draw occurs. Simply open your browser and enter the official URL of the Georgia Lottery homepage. Once there, look for the Live Results or Winning Numbers section on the homepage header or main menu. The website is designed intuitively to help you find the results without hassle. Second, if you prefer mobile convenience, use the Georgia Lottery mobile app, available for both iOS and Android devices. Download and install the app from your device's official store. Once installed, open the app and navigate to the Results section, where live updates are pushed instantly as soon as the draw finishes. This is a handy option if you are on the move and want immediate notification of results. Third, another fast method is to use trusted lottery result websites that track Georgia Lottery draws. Sites like Lottery USA or similar platforms provide live updates with clear display of winning numbers and prize breakdowns. Make sure to choose reputable sites to avoid misinformation. Fourth, you can also follow official social media channels of the Georgia Lottery for live updates. Platforms such as Twitter and Facebook often post winning numbers immediately following the draw. This can be a quick way to check results, especially if you frequent these social media outlets. Last but not least, many local news stations and their websites broadcast lottery results live. Checking your local news website or TV channel can confirm the numbers drawn and any jackpot or prize announcements quickly and reliably. To summarize, checking Georgia Lottery live results today is easy and accessible through official websites and apps, trusted third-party platforms, social media channels, and local news sources. Pick the method that suits your lifestyle best to stay updated without any stress. Remember, checking results as soon as the draw concludes can help you claim prizes promptly and enjoy your lottery experience to the fullest. Don't forget to always play responsibly and verify information through official sources for your security and peace of mind. And finally, thank you for watching and learning this easy step-by-step way to check Georgia Lottery Live results today. Make sure you stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips right here on our channel. Subscribe and like the video so you never miss an update or new content that's designed just for you.